What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jax, guys. So we're going to go over Verasity, VRA. Currently, we're up 55% on the day, seeing some juicy gains. And on the week, let's see how we're doing on the week. We're down 38%, seeing that little bit of recovery as we are with most of the market right now. So we're sitting at a $59 million market cap, one of our low cap gems, Verasity, and the 24-hour volume is 20 million. All right, guys. So we're going to hop over to the Twitter here. So we can see here from Crypto Dep, top discounted projects to keep an eye on. And we have our friend Verasity here. We also have Cody and Harmony One. So awesome to see on Crypto Dep that these are some of the top discounted projects to keep an eye on in their opinion. And we have our friend Verasity, you can see here as well. All right, guys, so let's hop into the technical analysis. So we're here on the 1 hour chart, guys, and we have found our bottom at 0.009. Previous level of support. Shouldn't do that on the 1 hour chart. It's a bit sloppy. So we can see here we're back above the EMAs, guys. Now, if we do roll over here and we see some consolidation in this area, we're creating inverse head and shoulders. You'd have your left shoulder, your right shoulder. Sorry, guys, your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. And the inverse head and shoulders is a bullish sign of a reversal to the upside, guys. And if you see that consolidation, we can begin to break out above the neckline, guys. You're looking at a pretty juicy pump, juicy uptrend here to the 0.05 on the Fibonacci. Give it a little price target at about 0.023. All right, guys. Let's see how much of a trade that is here. So you take it from your neckline. You're looking at about a 33% trade right there for Verasity. Make sure to see it break above the neckline, turn into support, and that'll be your confirmation that you're going to break out towards that 0.023 here for VRA. So let's put it onto the 4 hour chart. So we're here on the 4 hour chart, guys, and we're just coming above the 20 EMA. So what we want to see is we come up, back test it as support and continue trending upwards. Now, if that inverse head and shoulders doesn't take place and we just continue to have our nice little pump, we do have this price target right here for Verasity at a 0.018, which is at 0.382 on the Fibonacci. So let's put it onto the 1 day here for our friend VRA. So we're here on the 1 day chart, guys, and you can see that strong bottom. You see how we rested on the previous swing high? Let me kind of zoom in for you guys. Previous swing high, you're going to see that time and time again when these coins are correcting, is they're going to come back and rest on the previous swing high. So what we need to see here is that our EMAs, this yellow line here, let me get these price targets out of the way just so it's easier for you guys to see. And I'm going to pull my little Fibonacci out a bit. What we want to see, guys, is the 20 come back above the 50. Where currently we have the bearish cross. So what we want to see is for the yellow line to come back above the 55, and also we want to see our candles get back above the EMAs, guys. Where we come up, we get back above the EMAs, and then we can start trending back upwards. And once we get back above those EMAs, guys, and we're starting to use them as support, then we're in an uptrend, and we can see that reversal. Now we do have that key level, the Fibonacci, the golden ratio, the 0.618 here at 28 cents. If we're able to get back above that, then we can go up and tackle our high here at a 0.05 would be confirmation that we're head back up to our high. And then we have our new price target, our price prediction if we break our high up here at 12 cents for Verasity. So let's look at it on the weekly, and then we'll put it back on the 1 hour, and then we'll finish up our little video here. So you can see here, we're still underneath the 20 EMA here on the weekly, guys. We found support on the 55. The candle wick did break underneath the 55, but what we need to see is we start closing above the 20 EMA, this yellow line here on the weekly, to show that the bull market will continue. As you can see here, we're using the 20 EMA as support on this bull run. All right, so let's put it on the 1 hour, and then we'll wrap it up. I'll show you guys both scenarios here. So we may see that consolidation to see that inverse head and shoulders. You can see we're having a little bit of consolidation right now, but we are holding the support of the EMAs. However, if we were to roll over, it's a little bit more unlikely right now. In my opinion, we do have this level of support here. Give it a little price target at about 12, or sorry guys, 0.012, and then we have this line here on the Fibonacci 0.014, and then we have our bottom if we were to break down underneath the EMAs. But I think the bearish scenario is more likely. You may see that consolidation forming that head and shoulders pattern before we start heading, oh yeah, I took them out, before we start heading to these price targets here, these predictions at 0.018. These are possible lines of resistance for you guys. 0.023, and then we have the golden ratio up here at 0.028. All right guys, so that's it for Verasity. Beautiful to see a little bit of recovery with Verasity and with the entire market, and hopefully it continues. All right guys, if you got any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you're new, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, you can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love guys, take care.